so bored. Oh, Minecraft! Sup, guys? We're back. I just love this bat. It's fun to whack things with. Anyway, we've got this thing here. Anyway, let's go right into it. I have nothing, do I? Let me go back up and get. Oh, it's nearly night, is it? Great. That's the llama spit. You spat me. Yay. Spit me again. Oh, she actually spat me. Okay, that's... Okay. Don't you dare spit on me again. Oh, shit, we have wood. I don't know if we need it that well, but... Dirt. And leather. Oh, we've got wool. Sick. What the hell is that? That's a horrible llama. Right, yes. I must run, there's a skeleton. But there's a... You. Run! They're coming! Run. Is our anything coming? No. Okay, that's fine. Did I not get the flipping? I need to get the chest, dang it. Run for it, suckers. Yes, dude. That's how you do it, son. Okay, yes. Hey, you're not gonna be here in time, I hope. Ah, sucker. Oh no, wrong key. I'm pressing the wrong thing. What is not working? Damn it, escape. I went into chat, damn it. Not fair. Not fair. I need my stuff back, you bully zombie. Ah, you missed me this time, huh? I need to get all my other stuff. Oh, Jesus. I'm not in the mood right now. I need to learn the controls. Yes, I'm fine. I got the flip. I got the wool. I'm fine. Come on. You can't get me up here, sucker. I'll just kill you. Oh God, there's a creeper. Don't you dare come near me, or else you're dead. Oh my God, I'm getting texted. This is not the right time. Put like our new FB page. What? You want some cuz? Oh, now you're dead, huh? Okay. Where's the chest? Wrong thing. Yes, chest. Right. What do I press? That. Okay. 3. Nice. So now I can enter the chest and put everything in it. But what did I just do with them? Okay, that's fine. I'm still not used to these controls, but that's fine, I guess. Wait, whoa. Yeah, that's a bit better. Whoa, I don't need right now. I don't need any of this right now. Come on. I just need the flipping sword. This takes ages. Is there a easier way of doing this? There is not. Da-da. Hi. I need that. That's the only thing I need. Sorry. I can hear you, zombie. I can easily hear you.
You killed me again.
I'm filming, yes. Right, so I've got a sword.
Get some breakfast after that.
Whatever. Alright. Come at me, zombie doodads. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I feel in the zone now. Oh, yes. Where's some sheep? You want some, cuz? Oh, come on, that's not good enough. Oh, I'm feeling in the zone. What is this zone? Oh, cuz you died, you spat at me. Oh, they give you leather, that's actually okay. Right, you wouldn't spit at me, cuz, huh? Cuz I'll spit at you. Yes, give me that leather, suckers. Oh, snap, there's lava over here. Jesus, what's that? Don't you dare, you skeleton. Oh my god, stop it. I feel like I'm gonna die. What is this? I need to... No, what are you? Oh, a little zombie, that makes sense. Oh no, you are a skeleton, sucker. No, run! You surely can't get me now. I hate them zombies though. Them little darn zombies, they're terrible. I can see you behind that tree, you creepy creeper. Oh, my stuff. But there's a skeleton at my home. Jesus. But I have a sword, so that's fine, isn't it? Oh no. It's you again. It's you again. It's him again. It's him again. It's him again. No, no, no. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Die. Just die already. Flipping. That's what I wish I could do to that zombie. But I can't learn the damn controls. I need to learn them. Damn it. I wish I could just take this into the game. And go like, bosh, ja, 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 ja. But I can't. So, anyway. Just go here. Does she die? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Just get that. Get onto that. No, my gosh. He's too fast. It's actually too fast. No, die. No, Jesus, this thing's too fast. Just die already, you thing. No. That thing. This is what I do to it. Anyway, and that's that. Where's that little thing? Because that is a horrid, horrid thing. Where is it? Did it die? I hope it died. Oh, all my stuff! All my stuff, damn it. Right, where are you, Mr. Zombie? Huh? Because I want to watch you with this. It's not a smart idea, but I'm moving. I'm actually moving. I can't have being attacked by zombies, like. Well, we're staying here for now, but guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.